This is the longer version on this little antique can of lubricant. Now you see it has no barcode, so that's what attracted me when I saw it. And I don't even know what I paid for it, but I'm pretty sure it was in a box of lubricants at an auction or something, you know. Came from somebody disposing of all their stuff from a family member. But anyway, you can see this is a thing called Buck's Dry Slide. Now it's a molybdenum. It says molybdenum disulfide based dry film lubricant. I'm not familiar with dry film lubricants from the Air Force. We used to do a lot of weapons handling equipment that had to have a dry lubricant and not an oil, because we were below zero most of the time on these B-52s. So a dry lubricant was better, and at high altitudes you don't have you don't want oils, you want a dry lubricant. So keep on going, Russell. You just put too much information. Anyway, got a little can here. Okay, so it's saying what it can do. It said this in for drops. Oh, got a copyright 1960s, so it was made at least after that. It tells a little bit about what it is. You can freeze your frame and read it at your leisure. I think I got it focused in pretty good. Now you can see that it was made in the US of A, and it's got a zip code. So when you have a zip code, that means I would say it's made in the 1970s. Even though it shows 1960, I believe the zip code system might have been in the late 1960s or maybe the early 70s when I started seeing that. About the time you started seeing 10-digit phone numbers, you know, where you had an area code all the time. But anyway, I thought this is a cool thing. I was looking for some of this to use today to work on my brakes. But then it says shake it until the ball rattles, so I did. And I opened up the little top, and it's never been cut. It's never been used. This is an unused can, this lubricant. So I said, do I need to use it? No, I got my Lubriplate. Do I want to keep it sealed up? Absolutely. I'm not a guy who pokes a hole in an oil can and takes the oil out. Guess what? If that can's never been opened, why would you take the oil out that's keeping the can from rusting from the inside? You don't want the extra weight? I don't know. I think a full oil can that's never been opened is good. So anyway, that's my little story on that. You can freeze the frames and look at the writing. Thanks for watching.